Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews, the channel where we test and review the latest and greatest products for your home. In today's video, we are going to show you the top 5 best kitchen gadgets you can buy this year. These gadgets are designed to make your cooking easier, faster, and more fun. Whether you are a beginner or a master chef, you will find something that suits your needs and budget. So, without further ado, let's get started with our list of the top 5 best kitchen gadgets of 2024. Starting at number 5, we have the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This culinary marvel is not just an egg cooker, it's a promise of perfection. Boasting a 6-egg capacity, this Aqua Hue wonder ensures consistently perfect eggs in various styles. It's a game changer for picky eaters, large families, or those with hectic schedules. Weighing a mere 1 pound, it's a must-have for any kitchen, especially in spaces where every inch matters. The satisfaction guarantee only solidifies its position as a kitchen essential. At number 4, the Fullstar all-in-one vegetable chopper enters the scene. This multi-blade French fry cutter and veggie dicer offer unparalleled functionality with 5 interchangeable blades. The adjustable dial lets you choose the perfect thickness for your sliced vegetables, and the bonus handheld spiralizer adds another layer of versatility. Safety takes center stage with a finger guard and protective glove, ensuring a worry-free slicing experience. Easy to clean and no mess. It's a kitchen companion that streamlines your cooking process. Sliding into the third spot is the Flafster Kitchen Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set with Light. Beyond its elegant design, these grinders offer a hassle-free one-hand operation. The coarseness of the grinders is adjustable, and the built-in light adds a touch of sophistication to your dining experience. With portability and ease of use, this set is not just for the modern kitchen. It's designed for everyone, from the young to the elderly. Our penultimate contender at number 2 is the Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden Kit. This smart garden with energy-efficient LED grow lights ensures your herbs thrive irrespective of external conditions. Ready to go right out of the box, it simplifies the process of growing fresh herbs and vegetables indoors. With over 50 pre-seeded plant pods to choose from, including basil, lavender, and even chili peppers, it's a green thumb's dream. Topping our list at number 1 is the Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer Machine. This stainless steel marvel offers an 8-in-1 vacuum sealing system with 6 food vacuum modes. With 8 times longer freshness and a robust suction system, it can complete the vacuum sealing process in mere seconds. The smart control system, along with a large cutter and roll bag warehouse, makes it a powerhouse in food preservation. External component storage adds a touch of convenience, ensuring you never misplace essential accessories again.